Welcome back. In news overseas, an Oklahoma principal is being hailed as a hero after he helped stop a school shooter in Pauls Valley, Oklahoma, Tuesday. The principal was injured in the incident. He was shot in the leg and transported by helicopter to the hospital. Police say the suspected gunman was a former student at the high school. The suspect is identified as 20-year-old Victor Hawkins, who is a former student of the high school. He was later located and arrested on scene. He gained entry into the school, and when the principal and other school staff members spotted him, he attempted to subdue him. That led to the shooting.
And the primetime news package continues with sports with Jermaine Brown swimming right after this break.